So, a few people have messaged me and left comments mentioning about the quality of the videos and how low quality they are. So, I thought I'd show you the equipment that I'm using. So, this is an Albert Bartlett S23. As you can see here, that's the camera, so I look straight into there, and all I do, press play, and then that'll start filming and it will create this effect. So, now you know what sort of equipment I'm using. I bought it from China. It's a very high-tech potato. That's why it can actually take the footage that you see. So yeah, that's the equipment I'm using.